Hello, I'm Nick Poulin, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at a phenomenal factory engraved Walther PPK with a Himmler signature presentation. This extraordinary, highly ornate PPK is just one of 3 presentation pistols known to have this level of embellishment with a dated signature. The first is in the Rankin book, pictured on pages 39, 40, and 53, and the other was sold in 2013. This pistol has the same inscription except the date and is engraved by the same hand. The left crest of the slide above the Walther banner is inscribed in German "To the Valiant" from the leader H. Himmler and dated 1943 with an H. Himmler signature. On the right side of the slide is a shield surrounding a symbol with 2 pillars resting on a base, reportedly the insignia used by the SS division during the Battle of Kursk. The front strap bears a scripted K within a vertical oval, and virtually all of the surfaces have been deeply engraved with an oak leaf and acorn pattern. The frame boss within the ejection port has a cross-hatched pattern surrounded with the eagle end proof. The same pattern is repeated on each side of the upper trigger guard web. At the rear of the matching slide is the loading chamber indicator. Although the gun was likely originally fitted with white grips, this example has standard pattern brown mottled grips, and right side having a circular ivory colored inlay. A signed letter from Walther authority James Rankin referenced the insignia on the right side of the slide and felt that the gun was a presentation from Himmler to Walter Krüger. Krüger was a Knight's Cross holder and an SS Panzer General, and in 1943, Krüger was the commander of Das Reich. The date on this pistol, 1943, along with the special Das Reich insignia for the Battle of Kursk, would seem to confirm that the engraved K stands for Krüger, the Waffen-SS general and commander of Das Reich during that period. The Battle of Kursk was a bloody battle in late summer of 1943 on the Eastern Front. To this date, it is still the largest tank battle in history. The battle began in early July and went on for over a month and was the final strategic offensive launched by the Germans on the Eastern Front. It was also the first time that the German strategic offensive was stopped before it could break through enemy defenses and reach more strategic zones. The pistol is accompanied by a primary mag that has a blued housing and a detachable floor plate with a complementary engraving. The spare standard blue mag is marked with the Walther banner is located inside the pouch of the brown leather military holster that has an SS tie pin affixed to the closure strap. The condition of this factory engraved Walther PPK Himmler signature presentation pistol rates very fine to excellent. It has a near mirror bore and very fine mechanics. If you like this video and want to learn more about ultra rare collectible firearms, then visit our website at poulinauctions.com. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, stay safe, and send it downrange.